Hello friends, my name is Rubani Kaur. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to sing rhymes. Let's start. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Let's sing one more time. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now next rhyme. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. One more time. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Now next rhyme. Orange is a lemon sold for penny. All the schoolgirls are so many. Grass is green, rose is red. Remember me when you are sad, sad, sad. Now one more time. Orange is a lemon sold for penny. All the schoolgirls are so many. Grass is green, rose is red. Remember me when you are sad, sad, sad. If you like my video, hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thank you for watching my video.